Turner Oak Hill Estates is a quaint, quiet neighborhood located near the end of Bayshore Drive. This neighborhood has no homeowners association fees, and yards are well kept. The parking of boat trailers and other large vehicles is permitted, and the Bayview Park boat ramp is only 1 mile away. Turner Oak Hill Estates is a wooded setting. Many homes are built up on large mounds of earth to avoid hurricane-related flooding. Many homes in Turner Oak Hill Estates feature a beautiful lakefront view. From Turner Oak Hill Estates, it is only a short walk to East Naples Community Park. East Naples Community Park features a walking and jogging path around a lake. And the Naples Pickleball Center. The Naples Pickleball Center hosted the 2021 U.S. Open Pickleball Championships. For more content about Naples area real estate, remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell for more videos.